Your diesel engine is slowly choking to death, and you might not even know it until it's too late. Today, we're revealing the 7 diesel injector cleaners that actually work. Whether you're driving a heavy-duty truck, a Sprinter van, or a diesel sedan, maintaining clean injectors is absolutely critical for optimal performance. In this video, we're counting down 7 diesel injector cleaners, from decent options to the absolute best performers on the market. We've tested these products in real-world conditions, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cleaner deserves a spot in your fuel tank. Seven, Chevron Techron D Concentrate. This is a product that comes with the Chevron name recognition, but unfortunately doesn't quite live up to the legacy. This 20-ounce bottle treats up to 35 gallons of diesel fuel and is designed specifically for diesel engines, targeting both internal diesel injector deposits and external nozzle coking. The patented Techron formula has been around for years, and Chevron claims it restores lost power, improves responsiveness, and maximizes fuel economy by cleaning injectors back to like-new condition. During testing, the Techron D showed moderate cleaning ability. It does work on conventional deposits, and we noticed some improvement in engine smoothness after running through a full tank. The product contains a cetane booster, which helps with cold starting and combustion efficiency, and it's compatible with both mineral diesel and biodiesel blends, making it versatile for different fuel types. Chevron emphasizes that their formula works on older engines as well as modern common rail systems, which is a positive aspect. However, the performance falls short when dealing with severely clogged injectors. While it claims to remove internal diesel injector deposits, the cleaning action felt less aggressive compared to competitors. We expected faster results given the brand reputation, but the restoration of power and throttle response took longer than anticipated. The 20-ounce bottle size also means you're getting less product compared to some competitors, and when you factor in the price per ounce, the value proposition becomes questionable. Another concern is the treatment frequency. 6. Royal Purple Max Clean. This is a fuel system cleaner that markets itself as a high-performance solution for both gasoline and diesel engines. The 20-ounce bottle is EPA and CARB compliant, and Royal Purple promotes it as compatible with ethanol blends, biofuel, and both 4-cycle and 2-cycle engines. The formula contains highly concentrated polyethylamine detergents designed to clean clogged and coked injectors while restoring maximum injector flow. When we tested Max Clean in diesel applications, the results were somewhat mixed. Royal Purple claims the product maximizes horsepower, restores fuel economy, and removes deposits throughout the fuel system. While we did notice cleaner combustion and slightly improved throttle response after a couple of tanks, the improvements weren't as substantial as we expected from a premium-priced product. The detergent action does work on intake valves, piston tops, and combustion chambers, which theoretically should translate to better overall engine health. One notable selling point is that Max Clean acts as a fuel stabilizer, preventing varnishing during storage periods. This makes it useful for equipment that sits idle for extended periods, like backup generators or seasonal vehicles. The product also claims to reduce hydrocarbon, NOx, and CO emissions by significant percentages, which is environmentally beneficial. However, the dual-purpose nature of this product means it's trying to be a jack-of-all-trades rather than specializing in diesel performance. The real issue with Max Clean is that it's formulated primarily for gasoline direct injection engines, with diesel compatibility added as a secondary feature. 5. Hot Shot Secret P04016C Diesel Extreme. And this is where things start getting serious. This is a fully formulated diesel additive that combines a powerful injector cleaner with a cetane booster that increases your diesel cetane rating by up to 7 points. Right out of the gate, Diesel Extreme addresses the specific problems that plague modern ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel. What sets this product apart is its comprehensive approach to fuel system health. It's not just an injector cleaner. It's a complete treatment that includes a lubricity agent, water dispersant, rust and corrosion inhibitor, and fuel stabilizer, all in one bottle. During testing, we noticed immediate improvements in throttle response and a noticeable reduction in black smoke emissions. The cetane boost translates directly to better combustibility, which means more complete fuel burn and increased power delivery. The cleaning action of Diesel Extreme is impressive. It specifically targets internal diesel injector deposits, including both the traditional carbon coking and the newer waxy soap deposits that plague modern fuel systems. After one treatment cycle, our test engine showed measurably cleaner injector spray patterns, which optimizes the combustion process and improves overall efficiency. The product also addresses diesel particulate filter regeneration, potentially reducing DPF regen cycles by up to 83%, which is a massive benefit for anyone dealing with frequent regen issues. Hotshot's secret includes 4 times more cetane booster than leading competitors, along with a top-tier lubricity additive. This is crucial because modern ULSD fuel lacks natural lubrication, leading to premature wear on fuel pumps and injectors. Four, Gumout 510101 Multi-System Tune-Up. This is a versatile additive that punches above its weight class. This 16-ounce bottle is designed for all engine types, gas, diesel, and ethanol, and can be added to the fuel tank, crankcase, or via induction, giving it remarkable flexibility. The formula uses premium polyethylamine detergents to maximize performance, fuel economy, and engine life. What makes Gumout stand out is its multi-system approach. It cleans GDI injectors, carburetors, intake valves, ports, piston tops, cylinder heads, and combustion chambers all at once. In diesel applications, 1 pint treats 18 to 21 gallons of fuel, and we notice consistent improvements in engine smoothness and responsiveness. The product fights ethanol and water corrosion while stabilizing fuel, which is increasingly important with today's fuel blends. During extended testing, Gumout demonstrated excellent deposit removal capabilities. Users have reported improved throttle response and slight mileage increases after the first tank, which aligns with our experience. The PEA-based formula is aggressive enough to handle stubborn deposits without being harsh on fuel system components. It's safe for use in turbocharged and supercharged vehicles and won't void manufacturer warranties, giving you peace of mind. The dual-use capability is a genuine advantage. You can add it to oil at 1 ounce per quart, run the engine for 5 to 10 minutes, and clean the crankcase system as well. This versatility means you're getting more functionality from a single product. For diesel engines specifically, Gumout handles carbon buildup effectively while preventing future accumulation. The product works on both new and high-mileage engines, restoring lost performance across the board. 3. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. This is a significant step up from the basic Techron D we discussed earlier. This formulation delivers superior cleaning power and addresses deposit-related issues more aggressively. Techron Concentrate Plus is designed to aid removal of harmful deposits from fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers across a wide range of engines, including modern direct injection systems. The advanced chemistry in Concentrate Plus promotes efficient removal of both conventional nozzle deposits and internal diesel injector deposits, making it effective for comprehensive fuel system cleaning. In testing, we observed improved fuel economy, restored engine power and acceleration, and better cold start performance. The product reduces deposit-related knock and ping while providing protection against engine corrosion, which extends component life. What distinguishes Concentrate Plus from standard Techron products is its enhanced formulation that works exceptionally well with ethanol blends and biodiesel fuels. The cleaning agents penetrate deeper into deposit layers, breaking them down more effectively than less concentrated formulas. We noticed measurable improvements in injector spray patterns after just one treatment, leading to more complete combustion and reduced emissions. The product treats fuel systems comprehensively, cleaning everything the fuel touches. This means your entire fuel delivery system benefits from each treatment. Techron Concentrate Plus also helps prevent future deposit formation, keeping your system cleaner longer between treatments. For diesel hybrid vehicles and modern common rail systems, this product delivers professional-grade results without requiring professional application. 2. Hotshot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. This is an outstanding all-in-one solution that almost took the top spot. This concentrated 6-in-1 formula is specifically designed to resolve issues created by ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel, and it does so brilliantly. The 16-ounce bottle treats up to 400 gallons at the premium dose, making it incredibly cost-effective at less than 3 cents per gallon. Everyday diesel treatment contains concentrated cetane booster that increases ratings by up to 7 points, tremendously upgrading power and improving fuel economy across all diesel engines. What really impressed us is the inclusion of LX4 Lubricity Extreme, which improves diesel fuel lubricity by up to 26% and reduces wear scars by up to 159 microns. This ensures your fuel meets Engine Manufacturers Association lubrication recommendations, protecting expensive fuel pumps and injectors from premature wear. The cleaning action maintains fuel injector efficiency and proper spray patterns without being as aggressive as deep cleaning formulas, making it perfect for regular use. EDT combats moisture through water dispersants, includes rust and corrosion inhibitors, and stabilizes fuel during storage. This comprehensive protection means every aspect of your fuel system receives attention with each fill-up. Performance improvements are consistent and reliable. Users report fuel economy increases up to 7.3%, which translates to real savings at the pump. The product improves cold starting, maintains clean injectors, neutralizes acids, and prevents rust formation. It's oxygen sensor safe and works in any diesel fuel tank or storage container. The recommended use is at every fill-up, and you should not mix it with other fuel treatments. One, Lucas Oil 1003 Fuel Treatment. This is the undisputed champion of diesel injector cleaners. This powerful blend of oils and additives contains no harsh solvents, instead focusing on lubrication and gentle yet effective cleaning that extends engine life and reduces maintenance needs. The formula is designed to increase power and fuel mileage while lowering exhaust emissions, and it delivers on all fronts. Lucas 1003 functions as both a fuel system cleaner and upper cylinder lubricant, providing dual benefits that set it apart from competitors. Users consistently report smoother engine performance, improved idle quality, and modest but reliable fuel economy improvements of 0.5 to 1 mpg on average. The formulation is solvent-free, meaning it cleans through lubrication and detergent action rather than aggressive chemical attack, which is gentler on fuel system components and seals. What makes Lucas the best choice is its versatility and proven reliability across all diesel and gasoline engines, whether carbureted or fuel-injected. The treatment increases the life of pumps and injectors while neutralizing fuel problems associated with low-sulfur diesel. It burns excess exhaust emissions to increase power while consuming less fuel, creating a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Lucas Oil 1003 acts as an upper cylinder lubricant, effectively providing the benefits that leaded fuel once offered without hazardous emissions. This helps engines pass emissions tests while maintaining optimal performance. The product cleans and lubricates carburetors and injectors, causing fuel to burn more thoroughly for increased power and reduced consumption. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.